Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you on how you can add payment button on Wix. So first is you have to go to the editor settings, and then from here you just have to click on this plus icon or the elements icon. So just click on it, and then under the add elements you'd be able to see the button option. So just click on it. So now that you're here, you just have to go to the payment buttons. So you have your pay buttons or PayPal buttons. So just click on pay buttons, and here you'll be able to see different layout for your payment buttons. So for this example, I want to use this one. So let me just drag this randomly and place it anywhere. Okay, now that you have your payment button, all you have to do is to click on add PayPal info or add payment information. And then what's this button for? So you have to select selling. Okay, so you have also what's your PayPal email, you have to type that out. And then what's the product's name, of course. And then, of course, the price of the product and what would be the currency. So you can click on it and select the currency for the payment. And of course, if you want to add an ID number, and then after that for the display settings, if you want to PayPal opens in current window or new window. Okay, so that's it. That's how you can add payment button on a Wix. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.